Incidentally, I heard about it when we were putting some finishing touches to the room for orientation for grade 8. And I was in a state of disbelief. It's as if I wasn't hearing right until a few hours after, when it really dawned on me that, person started calling me and expressing condolence and so on, and I'm saying, wow, this is for real. And then I yielded to temptation to look at some graphic pictures, which I know I shouldn't have. And man, I'm telling you, speaking very personally from a place of, I don't know. I didn't sleep well last night, put it that way. I was just seeing the images. One of the rougher days in my entire career. Just in speaking to colleagues who would have taught Orlando, they're obviously in a state of disbelief, especially based on the gruesome nature of how that would have taken place. So sadly, there are also pictures being circulated that would have no doubt added to the kind of trauma that people will experience. The real evidence of the grief will be manifested when the batch that he would have been a part of comes in. He would have been going to grade 11. So we know that, it will not be a very pleasant occasion for his classmates, batchmates. As protocol would dictate, I reached out to our education officer, and we engaged the guidance and counseling unit, and they will be in attendance tomorrow. Based on what they are sharing, they wouldn't necessarily make big grand announcements per se to the entire batch, but they would more zero in on his class. Academically, he's our typical student. Our students generally have a particular profile coming here. Not excellent grades at all, but certainly not among the worst, we would say. Um, he's one of our C plus students.